Hi everybody. I have heard interesting story from the scientist on YouTube. There's a YouTube channel that digging into the unsolved topics in science like quantum physics and neuroscience and the brain anatomy and on and something like that kind of currently developing field of study in the science field. And I heard this interesting story about the genealogy. The scientists talking about how the cell is making DNA and how the DNA is evolved over the time, and this billions of time, billions of years of time. From, it's based on the creature on this planet, on the Earth. It's thought that the biological form is evolved over 3 billion years on this earth, from a single cell to the complex multi-cells creature like a human being. Now, the DNA is actually a blueprint for any kind of biological form on this planet. Is shared by any kind of creature on this planet, plants, animals, bacteria, and bugs, and any kind of creature on this earth have a same characteristic that is shared, that has a DNA inside as the blueprint of the whole body. So it can produce from the single cell to the whole human being with the one DNA. That is so magical, and it's just like AI model. AI model is a condensed pattern recognition, and it picks up a pattern from the vast amount of data when it's trained, uh, and it condensed in a pattern, and um, it produced the human-like reaction from a human interaction because of the pattern picked up from the vast amount of data. That is exactly this similar to me. It looks like similar to how DNA works on a human body, because the cell can reproduce and engineer the whole body of a human being from a single cell and with the DNA. And that is so magical. And the scientists said they don't know why, but cell, the cell has a control over the gene. So cell is producing a gene. So cell is a creator of the code, okay? And the human is the creator of the AI model. We human coding the program to work like an AI model. And we are the creator. And the cell is the creator of the DNA. So cell is the first one. It's about a chicken and egg, and it seems like chicken is first, because without the chicken, there's no egg. So maybe the first form of the human is like an egg, because it's a single cell, starts from a single cell, and but however, the scientists said they don't know, they don't have any conclusion yet, but the cell has some kind of intention to how to make a gene, how 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 he wants gene to work like, and it evolves the gene, it changes the gene to some reason, and then the creature evolved over time. And the evolution of creature is the intention of the cell and the interaction of the different sex, the male and the female interaction, to create the new form of DNA. And basically, a baby inherit half of the gene from its mother and father, and make a new string of DNA. So it makes new code. But originally, cell produce the code, and they don't know how, but they somehow know what it has to make. So there they said that there is God existence, God will there, that it tries to make a difference, and it tries to make it better, and it try to be better with others, rather than staying solo. With a single cell, staying a single cell is not beneficial to make a difference, to make to be a better, to become a better. So it choose to work together with the other cells and forms a multi-cell creature. And then it ended up, right now, we have human beings on this planet as a creature. So this is what I want to say. We have somehow have divine code inside our body. That is, we want to make a difference. We want to make it better. We want to be better. And then we want to feel better. So that is my message today. Make it better and make a difference and make it better. And I love you guys. And your habit will honor. I see you in the next episode. Peace.